Imagine you're 50 years old. You've worked hard, you've paid bills, but when you look at your bank account, there's not enough saved to retire, not even close. You start to feel the panic set in, wishing you'd done things differently when you were younger. What if I told you that just $100 could be the game changer you need to avoid this outcome? If you're 18, 20, or even 30, that's more than enough time to build a life of financial freedom and security. But here's the catch: you need to start now. So stick around because today I'm breaking down exactly how to start investing with just $100. This isn't get rich quick, but it's definitely get rich smart. Ready to change your future? So, why even bother investing at all? Why not just save that $100 under your mattress, right? Cue chuckle. Well, here's the thing: saving alone isn't enough. Inflation's like a sneaky thief. It's quietly chipping away at your money's value every single year. Investing is how you fight back and actually make your money work for you, even while you're sleeping. And here's the exciting part: starting small is still starting. That $100 might not seem like much, but as you build consistency, you'll be surprised at the possibilities. With the right strategy, it's like planting a tiny seed that can grow into a whole forest. In a moment, we'll talk about exactly where to put that $100. But first, let's make sure we're aiming for the right types of investments. Let's start with one of the best beginner-friendly investments: ETFs, or exchange-traded funds. ETFs are like a buffet of stocks or bonds. Think of it like having a little piece of many different companies without needing a ton of cash to buy each stock individually. So with your $100, you're getting instant diversity, lowering risk, and you're invested in a variety of sectors all at once. Look, investing in a single stock can be like putting all your eggs in one basket and then balancing it on a wobbly table. Doesn't sound secure, right? That's why ETFs are such a game changer. They spread out the risk. And once you're set up with ETFs, we can take things a step further. Because what if you could actually help build the future with your money? Next up, let's talk about fractional shares. Normally, stocks like Apple or Amazon cost hundreds or even thousands of dollars per share. But with fractional shares, you can own a slice of these companies for as little as $1. Imagine getting a taste of big brands you know and trust, all without breaking the bank. Have you ever thought about owning even a tiny part of Tesla? Not the whole car, but a piece of the company itself. With fractional shares, you can. Fractional shares are powerful. But here's where we get even more interesting, because we're about to dive into an option that can pay you while you sleep. Finally, let's talk dividends. This is money that companies pay back to investors just for holding their stock. Imagine investing your $100 into a dividend-paying stock. You're essentially collecting little thank you checks from these companies as they share a portion of their profits with you. Think about it. This could be passive income, money earned without lifting a finger. Now, it might not be much at first, but over time, as you add more, those little payments grow and compound. Imagine a future where your money is consistently working to put extra dollars in your pocket each month. Exciting, right? So now that you have a good sense of where to start, let's wrap it all together and talk about how you can set yourself up for lifelong success. So, you have $100. Where do you begin? Step 1. Choose your platform. First, pick a reliable brokerage platform that allows you to invest with no minimums. There are great options like Robinhood, Fidelity, or Charles Schwab that let you start with as little as $1 and invest commission-free. That means every penny of your $100 goes straight into building your wealth. Step 2. Decide on your first investment. For beginners, you might start with an ETF, as it gives you a diverse portfolio from the get-go. If you're feeling bold, maybe allocate a little to a high-quality dividend-paying stock for that potential passive income. Step 3. Consistency is key. Here's where most people miss the mark. They forget to keep going. $100 isn't much. But if you add to it, say, $20 or $50 each month, that investment starts to snowball. Trust me, this consistency is what builds wealth. Now, I know what you're thinking. Oh, great, another financial lecture about consistency. But really, investing is like brushing your teeth. It only works if you keep doing it. And if you want to really supercharge your $100 investment, there's one more secret that will completely transform how you view your money: compounding. This is how small amounts turn into big wealth over time. In fact, I have another video dedicated to this exact concept. So, if you're ready to take your first $100 and build a life of wealth and freedom, hit that like button, subscribe, and check out the next video on the power of compounding. It's the key that'll make every dollar you invest worth so much more. Remember, $100 today can set you up for financial success tomorrow. Start now, stay consistent, and let's make that dream of financial freedom a reality.